You just don't see manual transmission vehicles, much less Bronco, y'all. But I love the Bronco manual transmission. You have crawl mode, and then basically it's a 7-speed manual transmission. Let's review. Yes. 2022 Akins Ford Bronco. This is a base model, y'all, but now it has our Apex Edition package, so it's not really basic. You know, we like to elevate, we like to make it better than basic. So that's what we're about here, y'all. So hit us up. I must start off that the modular bumper is super fire, but this bull bar is a fail to me. It's too close to the grill. It blocks most of the Bronco letters. All I can see basically is the B. I mean, they made some revisions. It was lower. It was actually across all the letters. They made a slight rendition and made it taller, but I still just don't like it. You need to go with the aftermarket one, or one that protrudes out more. Let's get it on. Carbonized gray, so you have like even a textured grill. It's just slightly different than all the other grills, but I love the black letters on the Bronco up front. We did the Raptor Triple Fog Kit that we've kind of just made our own. So the middle one is a street legal, and you got floodlight and spot. It looks great, and this is just a rugged rendition of a clean and simple Apex Edition. Did a 2-inch 4-wheel parts lift kit, front and rear. Essentially just goes in combination with your coilovers up front and in the back. We did the Black Rhino Arsenal wheel, a true rugged wheel rendition in that gunmetal and black. It just looks ultra rugged. Has that Humvee military inspired theme to it. 35, 12.5, 18. Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain tire, an all-terrain tire that falls in between Ridge Grappler and Terra Grappler G2. So a nice segment tire that's going to get you more longevity in miles, while also looking more aggressive. Sidewall is more aggressive than a Terra Grappler, as well as the tread up top. So I love what Nitto does with their tire offerings, y'all. 4-wheel parts, step bar, has a Raptor style vibe to it, protrudes out nicely, a good confident step platform there. Also protects your undercarriage from rocks and debris that may pop up and hit. I love the hardtop. That hardtop will look really good in carbonized gray, but maybe the next one. It's a good, clean and simple 2-inch lifted 35 edition on 18s, a good sweet spot, not a 20, not a 17, looking amazing. As far as coming to the side for a mild to wild scale and that 0 offset, we are money because we're about 3 inches out, so it's not too far out or too far inward. Full articulation and motion for there. Paint protection film, Lumar window tint, a speedometer calibrator also. So we're right at in the mid 50s. Pause here for all the factory information. NLB 19801. It's the 21st of June, so this thing is available as of now. So hit us up if you want this 2-door rendition, y'all. Thanks for watching, as always. It means everything to me because you have so many things that you can watch on your phone these days or up on the big screen. So if you're watching good old country boy in Northeast Georgia at Akins Ford, just talk about vehicles on the dealership lot, that's pretty impressive. So much love to you all. I really appreciate that. It means everything. Maybe I'll have some swag coming out soon that we can do some giveaways and other things. So stay tuned for more. Until next time, peace out.